Hello, there's early springtime here in the UK, and this is a product for controlling bugs, aphids, which are different types of flies, and horse chestnut scale bugs as well. Now, normally I spray it once early in the spring. All you do is wait for an evening when the sun's not out, and you gently spray just above the tree. It's a fine mist that falls on your tree, that's all that's needed. And then you can repeat every 6 weeks throughout the summer until the autumn, once the tree's dropped all its leaves. That's when I usually give its last treatment. Once the tree's bare, and it helps protect the trees against any aphids or bugs that could be hiding about that you don't normally see. Also, aphids tend to hide in the buds over winter as well, I've been told. So normally, like I say, I do this in the evening, but for the demonstration purposes, we'll do this in the daytime just so you can see. You can use, obviously, the more greener treatment, which is just a few drops of washing up liquid or dish soap water in America in a spray bottle mixed with water, or a few drops, that's all you need. And spray your tree and then leave it for about 15 minutes and then just rinse the tree off with clean water. That's usually a good treatment, and it's quite friendly for the tree and nature. But sometimes the bugs are a bit more persistent, and it takes several attempts to try and keep them down with that. So I used this treatment last year from springtime onwards, and no kidding, it got rid of about 95% of bugs that I would normally get in the previous years. The product really does work. I have no connection with the product. So this is the tree that I've been working on in some of the videos this spring, tidying it up. And all I'm going to do is spray a light mist above the tree. Just like that. And that's all you need. But again, I must stress, don't do it during the day. I'm not sure why. But it's early evening, once the sun's down, and it's not going to be windy, so the spray's losing cast off in the air, or it's going to rain. Nice dry evening, and then overnight, that's obviously the spray settling on the tree, and it protects the tree for several weeks before you need to treat again. Last year I only treated about 3 times throughout the whole spring and summer because I kept forgetting, and basically that was enough to keep everything down. So that's all it is. A simple product called Bugclear, and it's safe for your Japanese maples in the UK here. I'm not sure if you can get this in America or a similar product, but again, be very careful of chemicals with your Japanese maples, because a lot of chemicals can do more damage than the actual bugs or the aphids. So be very careful and only use a trusted product that others recommend and tell you that it's safe. Alright, take care, bye for now.